Hello everyone, this is Vijayalakshmi. A quick short information on WatsonX code assist for Z. This conference is happening at Orange Convention Center as well as Hilton, and whatever you are seeing at here is in Hilton. I just came out for taking a fresh air, and a quick information about WatsonX code assist for Z. So hopefully you would have observed my video on WatsonX code assist for Z, which actually does 4 phases. It tries to analyze and come out with your code explanation, and it can able to transform the code of COBOL to Java, and it can able to validate with the unit test cases of COBOL to Java, and then it can able to give you the test results, right? So this is what it will transform and validate and verify. So actually this was the core functionality of this tool, and the recent update which is going to be launched is along with this. When you explain the code, understanding of the code, we have the new feature along with the web interface with chatbot, meaning we can able to chat with the tool regarding the business logic. Let's say for example, and understand the business application of something called banking application. If you wanted to explain about the code, it is explaining. That was the whole already existing feature. But apart from that, if I wanted to know how this mortgage interest is calculated, or maybe the interest rate is calculated, if something I wanted to know as a developer, I can give the chatbot. So that is going to generative AI is going to work behind the scene, and it is going to give you a response on which are all the portion of the code the calculation is happening. You can go through and you can pick out, understand how this calculation is really happening. So which means there is a chatbot introduced along with that, and apart from that, there is another aspects. You have an agentic AI experience for the developer. So there is an agentic AI which works on with the 2 different persona. That is architect, agentic AI with the architect persona, agentic AI with the developer persona. It is going to quickly give you details about the code explanation or maybe architecture related explanation. And also the third one, it has an optimization of the code. So the code which is actually running for 5 minutes, with the help of this optimization technique, it can able to run with 1 minute and 40 seconds or something like that. That was the use case which was demonstrated. So look into the description for the existing tool capabilities, and also get into the detailed description about the documentation on the new features which was available so far. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Vijayalakshmi. A quick short information on WatsonX code assist for Z. This conference is happening